Building a house in Bougainville. Not sure if that Mersawa beam will hold up your floor. Let me show you a free calculator that uses PNG timber properties to check if your beam size is adequate. Most builders in PNG calculate beam sizes based on experience, but you might want to know how load can affect the mechanical properties of the timber you are using. Different timbers have very different strengths. Mersawa is much stronger than Kamarere, so you can't just use the same sizes for everything. I built this calculator specifically for PNG timbers, Mersawa, Kamarere, Terminalie, and Cananga, using actual mechanical property data from PNG Forest Research. This could be useful for vocational or technical students, local builders and carpenters, and homeowners doing self-build. Okay, let's try one example. You are building a house and need a floor beam. You have Mersawa timber available, which is very common here. Take a span length to 6 meters and tributary width to 3 meters. This is just to show that whether it will work or not. Now let's put a timber sizes to 150 by 50 millimeters, death load to 1 and live load to 1.5. It is supporting the floor, so L300 floors. See the results? The beam fails, and if you visualize it generally, it is impossible too. 6 meters, with no support in the middle. Now reduce the span length to 3 meters and tributary width to 1.5 m and increase the size to 200 x 50. See, it works. Now let's look at a roof beam with lighter loads. For this, cheaper Kamarere might work fine. So, material is Kamarere size, 180 x 50 span, 3 m tributary, 2 m dead load, 0.5 light iron roof live load, 0.25 and limit, L250, there you go. The results are fine. 3 critical things for PNG timber. Seasoning fresh-cut timber is much weaker. Let it dry properly. Defects check for large knots, cracks, or splits. These calculations assume good quality timber. Termites use treated timber or naturally durable species like Mersawa for critical beams. And of course, this is just a preliminary check. You must have a qualified engineer certify any structural work. Calculator link in the description. Try it with your own project and let me know what timber species you're using in Bougainville. I'd love to add more local species if there's data available. The calculator sheet is protected. You can only make changes to the input section. Beam material, sizes, and deflection limit are already listed. Choose from the list. Type you own span length and tributary width, and you can find the information for live and dead load online. Any questions you might have, leave them in the comments.